Hello everybody, my name is Mark. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk more about the covered call strategy and when is a good time not to sell a covered call on your stock. And to do that, I'm going to talk about one of my losing trades. The stock is CRBP. It is a drug company. And here it is right here. Back in August 26, I sold to open a put option $4 strike price. Expiration September the 18th, 2020. I took in $52.33, which is a very good return on the trade. But as you know, the strike needs to stay above, the stock needs to stay above the strike price. And that didn't happen. The stock tanked. Things did not work out for me. And so on the 21st, the option was assigned. And right here, you can see removal of option due to assignment. And I was obligated to buy 100 shares of CRBP at $4 a share. Cost me $400. Then I did sell a covered call. CRBP dropped to about $2 and something cents a share. I don't remember exactly. And so I did sell a $2.50 covered call. Took in another $16.33. And CRBP proceeded to drop more. And so the cover call was removed. And so you might say, wow, I'm doing really good. Look at all the income that I'm making, right? But take a look at the stock here, okay? This is the 5 years chart for CRBP, and it looks very safe. I mean, it goes back like 3 or 4 years that it was trading up and down in this pattern. But the minute that I sell a put, then the stock decides to tank all the way down to where you see it, $1.01 a share. So take a look at my dollar cost average here. $400 minus 52 plus 16, which is 68. So let's round up to 70. Let's give me a couple dollars just to be nice. So $330 is my dollar cost average. And you saw where the stock is. The stock is at $1.01. So I'm down about I'm down about $230. Now the question is, what do I do? Do I sell a covered call? Let's take a look at the option chain to help answer this question. So pull up the option chain here and let's go out 28 days. So you know that my dollar cost average is at 330. So let's go out 28 days and there's the $3 call and oh wow, the bid is 0, the ask is 5. $2 call, 0.5. Now I could sell a $1 covered call and I could get maybe $10, maybe even $15. But what happens if CRBP goes up? What if it goes up to like $1.20 or $1.30? Well, then my shares get called away and I take that $200 loss. So it doesn't make any sense for me to sell that covered call now, does it? Might as well just sell the shares right now. And also, what if I sell that call and then CRBP keeps going down? What if it goes down to $50 or $40 or $30, you know? So it makes no sense for me to sell that covered call. Now let's go out further, 56 days. And what do we see? Again, $3.30 is my dollar cost, but even the 250s don't pay anything. The last was $2. Is that what you call an income? Make $2 in 2 months? And that's if the call stays below 250? Not a good idea, right? The $1 I can get a whopping 20 cents, but again, shares get called away and that's the end of that. Let's go out more, 84 days. 250s again, don't pay anything. The $4 don't pay anything. The dollars, same problem. Go out 6 months. Now we're cracking. Now the $1, the bid's 30, the ask is 65. The $2, which by the way is still $130 below my dollar cost, the bid is 10, the ask is 20. So not looking good, is it? Let's go out 455 days. That's a year and like 2 months. Now the $3 are paying, looks like the last is 25. And that's still $10 below my dollar cost average. And I have to wait 455 days just to collect that. So you see the problem with the covered call strategy when you pick a stock that's not a stable stock. And that's what a lot of these covered call advocates will tell you. The covered call strategy is a great income strategy, but you have to do it on stable stocks. And that might be true, but if you're going to buy and hold stable stocks, then why even sell the covered calls? Why not just do the stuff that most people do? Dollar cost averaging, etc., etc. You know? So that's why I keep saying the covered call strategy is not an income strategy. It's an option strategy. And either you're going to make money or you're going to lose money. Now, when I got into this trade, okay, this is a totally safe looking chart to me. I mean, the bottom is down here. I sold the put all the way down there, and this pattern had been going on for like 3 or 4 years. So I don't think I did anything wrong taking the risk that I took. Also, my risk tolerance is very well within my risk tolerance. My total risk, worst case scenario, is if CRBP goes out of business and they never recover, then I lose $330, and this account has $29,000. So that doesn't even come. That's, my risk tolerance is 2%, and that's even below that. So I knew the risk when I was coming in, but things did not work out for me, and this is one of my losing trades. And so now the question is, what am I going to do? And the answer is, I am not going to sell covered calls for all the reasons that you just watched in this video. I'm simply going to hold the stock, and maybe the stock will recover back to its original levels, and it might take several months. It might be never. But if it's never, then I will take that $200 loss, or if the stock gets delisted, I'll take the $330 loss. That's the risk that you take when you choose to sell cover calls, or in my case, you choose to sell cash secure puts. So again, the covered call strategy is a good strategy, but it's like any other strategy. You have to set stop losses, and sometimes the covered call strategy is not the correct thing to do. Like in this case, I don't think it's correct for me. I don't think it would be good for me to sell to open a call option at the $1 strike price just to make $10 a month. And keep in mind that $1 strike price, that is $230 below my dollar cost. So it would take 23 months just to break even, just to get back to where I can say, well, lucky me, I haven't lost any money. And if you were to tell me, hey, I got a wonderful strategy for you, you can sell cover calls and you can break even 2 years from now, I would say, okay, thank you for your opinion. Been good talking to you. So that's it for this video. As always, feel free to ask any questions, leave a comment, hit the like button, whatever you choose to do. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video, and have a good day.